The Supreme Court on Tuesday cleared the Central Vista project in a 2-1 majority verdict. The government is now clear to go ahead with the 20,000 crore rupees project aimed at renovation of India's power corridor. The three-judge bench said they found no infirmity in clearances obtained by the project and that the exercise of power by the central government under the Delhi Development Act was justified. The Ministry of Environment has been asked to set up smog tower as an integral part of the Central Vista project, and the government has been ordered to use environment-friendly construction material. The court also said that it was not going into the questions raised by the petitioners on the government's decision to spend money on the new parliament project. The bench said that they have no intention to guide the government on moral or ethical matters. Justice Rajiv Khanna, though backed the minority opinion, he agreed with the other judges on the award of the project. He disagreed on the change in land use in the redevelopment plan and suggested to submit the matter back for public hearing. On the aspect of environmental clearance, the judge said the agency concerned had given no speaking order. The judge also said the prior approval of the Heritage Conservation Committee was necessary for such projects. So what is Central Vista project? The Central Vista project is a redevelopment plan to expand and redesign the power corridor of India. The project will be constructed along the 3-kilometer stretch on Rajpath between the Rashtrapati Bhavan and India Gate in New Delhi. The project is expected to give India's power corridor a new spatial identity, what is usually called the Lutyens' Delhi. According to the government, the existing buildings for Parliament, various offices of the central government, the residence of the Prime Minister and the Vice President's house are inadequate. The new Parliament building, in contrast to the existing circular one, is triangular in shape and is spread over 64,000 square kilometers. So why do we need a new Parliament? So as the centre explained to the Supreme Court on November 3rd, the new Parliament building will be able to save about 1,000 crore annually on rent expenditure. Since there is not enough space to accommodate all the offices, the centre ends up spending about 1,000 crore on their rents. The new building will be able to seat 888 MPs in Lok Sabha chamber and 384 MPs in the Rajya Sabha, and every parliamentarian will get a separate office. The new building will also be equipped with the latest digital interferences, which will be a step towards paperless offices. The new building is expected to be completed by 2022. The Central Vista project has a work completion deadline of 2024 when the Lok Sabha election will take place. The theme of the new building is the cultural diversity of the country, incorporating regional arts and crafts. Artisans from across the country will be employed to complete the new structure, making it a symbol of Atmanirbhar or self-reliant India. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay logical.